Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today, allow me as a moderator from Group 6. My name is Chafia Zagita Putri, and I want to present material about introduction to instructional goals and objectives that our group successfully conclude. First of all, let me say big thank you to Mr. Adriana Gafar, MPD. Let's start begin the presentation. Instructional goals and objectives are the foundation of effective teaching and learning. They define what students should know, understand, and be able to do as a result of instruction. This introduction provides an overview of these key concepts. Next, what are instructional goals? 1. Broad aims. Instructional goals are broad, overarching statements that describe the intended outcomes of a course or lessons. 2. Long-term focus. Goals outline the big picture of what students should learn regardless of the specific content or activities. 3. Measurable outcomes. Effective goals are specific and measurable, allowing educators to evaluate students' progress. Characteristic of effective instructional goals. Clarity. Goals should be clearly and concisely written, using unambiguous language. Relevance. Goals must be aligned with the intended learning outcomes and the needs of students. Achievability. Goals should be challenging yet attainable, motivating students to success.
Developing instructional goals. 1. Assess needs. Identify the knowledge, skill, and abilities the student need to develop. 2. Language standard. Ensure goals are consistent with relevant educational standard and curriculum. 3. Priorities and focus. Select the most important and impactful goals to guide instruction. What are instructional objectives? 1. Specific outcomes. Instructional objectives are clear and measurable statements of what students will be able to do as a result of instruction. To guide instruction. Objective help education design appropriate learning activities and assessment to achieve the desired outcome. 3. Observational behavior. Objective describe the specific action or behavior the student will demonstrate to show their learning. 4. Evaluative progress. Objective provide a framework for measuring student learning and evaluating the effectiveness of instruction. Characteristic of effective instructional objective. 1. Specific. Objectives will be clear and concise, describing exactly what student will be able to do. 2. Measurable. Objective must be written in a way that allows for the assessment of student learning. 3. Achievable. Objectives should be challenging yet attainable, considering the abilities and prior knowledge of students.
Bloom's taxonomy and instructional objectives. Remember, recalling facts, concepts, or producers. Understand, demonstrating comprehension of ideas and information. Apply, using knowledge to solve problems or complete tasks. Analyze, breaking down information into parts and identifying relationship. Developing instructional objectives. Number 1, identify goals. Start with the broad instructional goals you want to achieve. Number 2, specify objectives. Determine the specific, measurable behaviors that demonstrate student learning. Number 3, align content. Design learning activities and assessments that align with the objectives. Aligning goals and objectives. Coherent planning. Instructional goals and objectives must be closely aligned to ensure effective teaching and learning. Continuous improvement. Analyzing the relationship between goals and objectives help educators refine their instructional approach. Measurable progress. Objectives provide a clear framework for assessing student progress towards the broader goals. Transparency. Clearly communicating goals and objectives to students promotes engagement and understanding.